Extending from East Africa to Sumatra, the Indian Ocean basin supports 13% of the world's coral reefs, mostly along continental margins of Africa and Asia, but also among oceanic islands such as the Chagos archipelago and the Maldives. Fishing pressure is high, particularly on reefs along the densely populated continental shores. Land-based pollution is also a threat, especially in Madagascar, where extensive deforestation has led to significant erosion and heavy sedimentation in coastal waters. In 1998, a mass coral bleaching event that affected reefs around the world hit this region harder than any other. Unusually warm seawaters harmed corals across the region and killed more than 80% of the corals in the Maldives, Chagos, and the Seychelles. Today, many reefs have made a remarkable recovery from this event, especially in areas where other local threats, such as overfishing, are low. The Chagos archipelago, which is remote from human contact, has shown particular resilience, signaling that coral reefs may recover faster from climate-related impacts when there are few other threats to contend with.